Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fiber optic cables with a review of what many consider the best LC to LC fiber patch cable on the market. The BEYONDTECH Multimode Duplex OM1. Whether you're setting up a data center, enhancing your network infrastructure, or simply curious about fiber optics, this review is for you. The BEYONDTECH LC to LC fiber patch cable is designed for high-performance applications like fast Ethernet, fiber channel, and gigabit Ethernet. It's tailored for both commercial and educational environments, ensuring reliable data transmission and network stability. Let's talk about what makes this cable stand out. It's made from high-quality 62.5 by 125 micron OM1 multimode fiber. Adhering to industry standards like TIA by EIA 492 AAA and IEC 60793210 A1B. This ensures not only compatibility but also reliability in diverse networking setups. This cable boasts a 200 mHzkm bandwidth at 850 nanometers and 500 mHzkm at 1300 nanometers, with minimal attenuation, making it ideal for both short and medium-range transmissions. It operates smoothly in temperatures ranging from 20 C to plus 70 C, offering flexibility in various environmental conditions. Visually, it's hard to miss its vibrant orange jacket, which not only aids in identification but also signifies its OM1 classification. The cable's 3.0 mm diameter strikes a balance between durability and flexibility, while its duplex LC connectors ensure easy and secure connections. Whether you're integrating it into a fiber optic network, connecting patch panels, adapters, or transceivers, the BEYONDTECH LC to LC fiber patch cable is versatile. It supports video, data, and voice services, catering to a wide range of applications. In terms of usability, it's designed for ease. The minimum bending radius of 5.0 cm during installation and 3 cm for long-term use ensures longevity and reliability without compromising performance. To wrap up, if you're looking for a robust, high-performance LC to LC fiber patch cable that meets stringent industry standards, the BEYONDTECH Multimode Duplex OM1 is a solid choice. Its reliability, compatibility, and durability make it a favorite among professionals in networking and telecommunications. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.